Megawatt solar project. Snapchat hat trick. CES global debuts. All right now on Stellantis Spotlight. This week, the company and DTE Energy announced a clean energy commitment to add 400 megawatts of new solar projects in Michigan through DTE's MI Green Power Voluntary Renewable Energy Program. The clean energy commitment is the second largest renewable energy purchase ever made in the U.S. from a utility, and it is enough clean energy to power approximately 130,000 homes annually. DTE is Michigan's largest producer of and investor in renewable energy, and is committed to transitioning to cleaner sources of energy. Jeep Canada's Jeep Code Snapchat lens has scored a hat trick as a gold trophy winner in 3 categories, along with a silver runner-up trophy in Strategy Magazine's 2022 Media Innovation Awards. Jeep Code was a revolutionary way for Canadians to use their smartphones to turn any iconic Jeep 7-slot grille into a virtual barcode, allowing them to engage online with the brand's award-winning lineup. The MIAs honor the great and growing role media plays in the marketing mix, and those responsible for the selection, deployment, and implementation of breakthrough media programs. And finally, Stellantis CEO Carlos Tavares will take center stage on Thursday, January 5th in Las Vegas at the 2023 Consumer Electronics Show, the largest worldwide event for technology. Tavares has been invited to deliver a keynote address, where he will present the company's vision for a new era of cutting-edge freedom of mobility, and unveil the global debuts of the Peugeot Inception concept, presented by Peugeot CEO Linda Jackson, and the Ram 1500 Revolution battery electric vehicle concept, presented by Ram Truck CEO Mike Koval. For those who will not be in Las Vegas, the Stellantis keynote presentation will be streamed live on Stellantis.com. Those are this week's top stories on Stellantis Spotlight. Reporting for Stellantis Digital Media, I'm Peter Spezia.